Alright, the device I'm holding is called vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner is used to remove dirt in the car or rough carpet. So let me put it into practice so that you know how to use it. Okay? This is the filter. So this filter is being fixed into the bottle. This bottle, as I earlier said, is used to pack dirt or sand inside when you want to use it. So let me couple it. Look at the accessories. This is the charging point. This is the main machine. So first of all, we will connect the bottle, the glass bottle, into it and squeeze it a little bit so that it will hook well. Right? You will now fix the head. Wow, it's good to go. Look at the brush here. You can then fix it up. It is good to go. Alright, look at the on point here. When you press it, it starts working. From there you can fix any dirt on the ground or inside your car where your hand cannot reach. You can use the vacuum cleaner to pick the sand. So everything that is picked up, it will deposit it inside the bottle here. At the end of the day, you will remove it, remove the bottle, remove the filter, and throw the sand or dirt outside. After that, you will fix it back and continue your work until every dirt in the car or rock carpet completely wipe out. It's very, very portable, very, very affordable, very, very effective to use. Thank you for watching.